Welcome to More Sound, and we are reviewing the Emerson SmartSet clock radio. Model number CKS 1500. Not sure if you can make that out. And we're going to try out the radio. This is the loudest it goes. This speaker back here. Oh yeah, and there's also a nightlight as well. And then the display has adjustable brightness. Looks like it has AM and FM bands. And of course, we're not going to try out the alarm clock due to time. But that will be the end of our review of this Emerson SmartSet clock radio CKS 1500. Thank you for shopping at More Sound. Hope you will continue to shop with us for years to come. Goodbye, and subscribe to our channel.